this is a very important part of the Bratobandhan ceremony. To the child will be given rice and all etc. for Vikhyam Dehi. Now the child asks that whatever you have collected for my higher study, kindly pass on to me. Then that will be utilized for his day-to-day expenses. This is a very important part in the Bratopandana, where the mother passes on all the savings that she has kept for the children. Now the paternal grandmother, now she will pass on whatever savings, now whatever the people used to save for the child's education. Earlier days there was no banking loan or any loan system. So earlier days this used to be an important ceremony where the mothers and all mother figures, they used to save something for the child's education. Now the child is leaving home and going to Gurukul. Therefore people used to give something, their savings, for the support of the child in the Gurukul. Now all the women folk of that particular society, they will give their offerings, whatever they have collected, because education is the most important part of life. The child is now going to have higher education. Therefore all mothers will pass on their savings to the child for his expenses during the Gurukul stay. Because the earlier days father used to be away from home for earning activity. So father and father figures used to be not to be available most of the time. Therefore mother folk used to play a very important particular role. They used to save something for this education of their male children of their particular community. So now they are passing on their savings for the higher education of the child. The child is now leaving home and going to Gurukul for higher education. Once the child is initiated to Brahmacharya, they have to offer different day-to-day things, that is rice, fruits, vegetables, etc., ghee, and all those things that is required for the day-to-day functioning of the Gurukul. So once a child who has been initiated comes, it used to be a very happy activity for the whole Gurukul, because the whole Gurukul used to get support from this type of donations by the mother folk of that particular society. Earlier there was no supporting system, there were no banking or things like loan, etc., educational loan, etc. Therefore, this used to be a very important activity in the society, where the child gets whatever needs that he will require during his educational days.
Modern and you punch together.
In earlier days, mother used to be called as God, because mother, the child is being supported fully by the mother. So first the mother god gives the whatever savings she has collected. Then all the women folk in the society, they will give their whatever collection they have had for the welfare of the child. Not only child, the whole Gurukul used to get benefit from these donations, because each new entrant to the Gurukul used to be a great support system for the whole Gurukul.
এটাই চলবে এখন এটা এখানে
এটাই চলবে।
হ্যাঁ মানে এটা দিয়েই হবে খাবার খাওয়া
These savings would be used not only for the child. Actually, the whole children of the Gurukul used to benefit from these donations. So a new entrant, he used to get accepted by the Gurukul, because he would bring all the food items, all the money, etc. for the Gurukul. So it would have been very rejoice ceremony for any Gurukul. The child who has undergone Brotopana is thanking all the people who are donating, because with this donation only the whole Gurukul will survive, and also his own career will be brighter. Therefore, she is thanking all the people who are donating. The Brahmachari is thanking all the people who are passing on their collections, their past savings to the child for the higher education.
all higher education এর দায়িত্ব সমস্ত যারা যারা প্রেজেন্ট আছে সবাই নিয়ে নিয়েছে সুতরাং রানীর আর কোনো খরচ নেই।
Earlier, this Brahmin families used to be very poor, because it is the customary for the Brahmin family not to save anything, because he undergoes both, that he will, whatever thing he will collect, he will donate for the benefit of the society. So earlier the Brahmin families used to be very they used to be very economically underprivileged.
কি হবে এখন না দাঁড়িয়ে আছে কেন?
ছবি তুলছি ছবি তুলছি
বিভিন্ন আর মাল নেই।
এবার আমি আজকে মুখে ধরো Israel
This has been a very happy ceremony for the mother and all maternal uncle people. The maternal uncle takes charge both during Brotopana and also during marriage. During marriage also, maternal uncle plays a very vital role. During this education, till the marriage over, in after even marriage also, in Indian custom, they carry a lot of responsibility for the benefit of their cousin.